Hi everyone. In this video we will learn together how to generate a protein structure file in VMD, PSF file. So the first step to generate a PSF file in VMD is to get your PDB structure into VMD, and this is what we learned in the last video, and it was quite easy. As you remember, you go to File, New Molecule, and you get your PDB structure. In my case, it's protein and enzyme called PTL2 lipase. And here, as you see, .pdb. And here's my structure, and we say load. So now we have the structure in VMD. The second step is to open the automatic PSF builder. You go to Extension, Modeling, Automatic PSF builder. And the automatic PSF builder contains different sections. The first section is your PDB structure that we loaded together. And here your output name, so we can call it test VMD, and here your topology files. And since we are dealing with a protein right now, so the topology files of proteins are already stored by default in VMD. But if you are dealing with another molecule that are not defined in VMD, you have to bring your own topology file here. So you say load input files just one time. You will see nothing, but it's working. Then you say guess and spell chains using current selections. And here in our protein we have 387 amino acids and 2 metal ions. And you say create chains. And since we are not dealing with any patches, so we say OK. And here you are getting info about your structures. And you say OK. And now you generated your PSF file. But since we didn't change the working directory, we keep the default working directory. Your files will be saved in the VMD file in your installations. You go to VMD, and here you have your test VMD auto PSF.psf, and here your PDB structure.